We're going to learn this song, Golden Lion. I think it's out of Lion King Part 3. Maybe not. You can play that riff that I just played through 95% of the song. There are some variations that they do, but if you just want to keep it simple, you could just play this. F sharp major, A major, that's E major, I'm playing it at the 7th fret, and then back to the A. I played it in the open position there, but I think this sounds better with all bar chords and to play with a syncopated all that syncopated strumming means with your right hand technique is your right hand just keeps going with the drums. It becomes part of the percussion when you're not playing the chords. When you're not playing the chord itself by squeezing with your left hand, don't squeeze too hard. You're hearing the scratch rhythms. All right, you can play it in open position. In that case, you have to play the F sharp with your open position F at the 2nd fret. Where you're barring the first 2 strings at the 2nd fret. Your G string at the 3rd fret, D string at the 4th fret. And you're going to have to rely on palm muting to quiet the strings if you play in open position. So anyways, that's that. Now, this F sharp, A, E, back to A chord progression continues up until about 1 minute 5 seconds into the song. And then there's a little transition where they just climb up to C sharp major. F sharp, A, that's all the same. Then they go to B. And then briefly they go to C sharp, then back to A. So that is F sharp at the 2nd fret, F sharp major, A major at the 5th fret, B at the 7th fret, that's C sharp. And then from C sharp we go right to A, quickly to A. Now you could play the whole riff with bar chords, I mean with power chords. Right, you could do that. So this is the only other riff you have to play is this. And that is played at the end of the song to end it. Now, then after that, climb up to C sharp. They go back to the F sharp, A, E, A. But then when she starts singing "My Hand's Out of Control," they do a brief variation. F sharp, A, B. they just do that for 2 measures, and then they go back to the main riff. So if you want to skip this, you want to skip that and just stick with the main riff, you could do that. It's not going to sound bad. Okay, so that is Golden Lion by the Yeah Yeah Yeahs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me keep YouTube off my back. Thanks for watching. Bye.